Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I will teach you how to schedule laptop shutdown. Scheduling your laptop to shut down automatically can help save power and ensure your computer turns off when it's no longer needed. Windows includes a built-in task scheduler that lets you create automatic shutdown tasks without installing additional software. Follow these steps to schedule a shutdown on your Windows laptop. To begin, turn on your laptop and sign into Windows. Press the Windows key and search for Task Scheduler. Open Task Scheduler from the search results. Click Create Basic Task at the right-hand panel. Enter a name for the task, such as Automatic Shutdown. Then click Next. Choose how often you want the shutdown to occur, such as daily, weekly, or one time. Then click Next. Set the date and time for the scheduled shutdown. Then click Next again. Select Start a Program and click Next. In the Program or Script field, type Shutdown. In Add Arguments field, type the codes. Then click Next and review the task details. Click Finish to save the scheduled shutdown task. Leave your laptop powered on at the scheduled time and verify that it shuts down automatically as planned.
And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.